Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you blue screen on laptop how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the blue screen on laptop, which usually means a system error or hardware issue, the first thing that you need to do is note the error code. When the blue screen appears, write down the error code, for example IRQL underscore not underscore less underscore equal or critical underscore process underscore drive. This helps identify the cause. The next method that you can do is restart your laptop by simply press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds and then press it once again to turn it back on and see if the issue still continues. The next method is to disconnect external devices. Remove USB devices or drives, printers, SD cards or external hard drives. Sometimes these cause conflicts on boot. Then next is to operate or work drivers by simply pressing Windows plus X on your keyboard or by clicking on your start button right here and selecting Device Manager. Now once you're inside there, what you need to do is select the display adapters and click on the drop down menu. Then right click on the driver and then press on Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers and then Windows will automatically install the updated driver once you restart your laptop. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.